Hello, Melatonin. I got the Fruit Riot at Walmart, so I'm gonna try it. I've never tried it before. So, they smell really good and they're humongous. Okay. There's this one at the top.
Does that work?
No, I forgot they're frozen. They're very sour. My tooth, I think, is frozen, but I'm gonna try the other two flavors. I forgot they're frozen and it froze my bottom teeth. But I'm gonna try green apple next because I'm absolutely terrified for lemon lime. Why are they so big? Okay, anyway. It's not. Okay, maybe it is. They're really sour, but they're good. That's what they look like, in case you're wondering. I'm really, really scared for the lemon lime ones. Is that yellow? They smell like Jolly Ranchers, but those are super sour. I forgot that it was frozen grapes, lemon juice, and then the candy stuff.
Oh, shoot.
Okay, let's try to eat the rest. Okay. I got these from the Victorville Walmart, but this is what they look like. Thank you for watching my children. Bye, guys.